Hi, Unbox Nowhere. Here we have the watches on 4K Steelbook. This is from France, so it's in French here. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos on both discs. Runtime is 101 minutes. Aspect ratio is 185. So let's open it up. See some glue. It's kind of matte finish. Spine, watches, Warner Brothers. Backside some credits. There's no artwork on the discs, just text. 4K disc. The blue disc is brownish color. Inside art. The whole thing. Yes, there we go. Watches on 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting physical media, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.